Hey first graders, I hope that everybody is staying warm. I am going to go through our packet today page by page, that way you can play this back and so you can get your work finished. I wish we would be in the classroom, but I am also enjoying the snow. You guys know I love snow and I love cold weather, so let's go through this. The first page is going to be your passage, so it's for reading comprehension. So it's animals of the Arctic. So we're talking about 3 specific polar bears. We're also going to need this for our writing assessment and task here in just a second. So you're going to be thinking about where polar bears live. You're going to be thinking about what they eat. You're going to be thinking about their habitat and their environment. So if you'll read through that, they're going to be talking about what it does during the day and at night. And then there's also a couple of other different animals that you're going to see. You're going to see an owl, and you're also going to see a seal. So you'll read that. And then again, practice reading aloud for good fluency. Then after you read the polar bear passage, or animals of the Arctic, then you will finish with the questions. So what is the weather like? So this is multiple choice. So remember, we read all 3 and then we choose the one that best fits. What is the weather like in the Arctic? This text, it gave us information, so it is nonfiction because it's not fake. So we're learning and gaining information from the passage. So what does the text give information about the animals that live in the Arctic? So we know that we learned about 3 specific animals. What are those animals? Number 3, polar bears spend time in the Arctic Ocean. What does this information tell us about polar bears? So what do they do in the water? What would we know? That's using our inference. And then number 4, what is the passage mostly about? What did the passage really tell us? And then 5 is going to be a writing question. Snowy owls hunt for food in the, so we're thinking about in the setting. So daytime or nighttime. What did you learn? So any type of fact. And then number 7, list the animals in the passage. Remember, if you're using your passage and you have your paper there, then it's going to be so simple to just copy directly because we can do a quick spell check. And then lastly, illustrate, draw a picture of a snowy owl in the Arctic. So that is it for your comprehension. Then you will move over, to your writing. So you're using the animals in the Arctic. It says discuss 3 Arctic animals: polar bears, snowy owls, and seals. So you just have to choose one. What is your favorite? But then we have that thinking word, why. Why did you choose an owl? Or why did you choose a polar bear? Why did you choose a seal? Next, we're going to move into foundations and phonics. So we do these all the time in class. So you are using your box. The blank is on the mat. So what CVC words makes sense there? The bug is on the mat, the lug is on the mat. So you can circle it, and then you also would write it on the line. Next, we're talking about syllables. Say the name of each animal. So walrus, you can clap, so that would be 2. Octopus, 3. Cat, 1. Alligator, 4. Monkey, 2. Elephant, 3. Panda, 2. Fox, 1. Hippopotamus, I had to go back and count. 5. Asparagus, 4. Green vegetable. Caterpillar, 4. Kangaroo, 3. So you just have to circle those. Go back and try it. And then the last one is math, and so you're using your subsidizing dots. We practice these as well. 5 and 2 make 7. 4 and 4, 8. Oh, 8, you got it. So then I would love for you to talk about with your parents, what do you see? So I see 5 and 4. And then your different ways for part, whole. Your whole is 5. And then lastly, you're just practicing your math facts, which we do all the time with the sprint. So I hope this video helps. Please reach out to me if you have any other questions. Hope to see you back in the classroom soon. Have a great